How you doing, guys? I'm going to show you a few different ways taking apart pallets. I don't know if you've ever tried it before, but sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. Anyway, first you got your old trusty hammer and a pry bar, or flat bar, whatever you got. The only problem with that is sometimes when you're beating and banging around on them, it busts them. You'll be getting in here like this and going to pry on it, and it'll crack it right in half. Another way is a grinder, something I've discovered recently. You can go through here and just kind of grind the head off of the nails, and it just pops right up. Of course, then if you're going to use this lumber, it leaves a little nipple sticking up that you got to watch. The other way I've seen a lot of people do it is use a Sawzall. Now I got a much better Sawzall, but this sucker works, and I don't really want to destroy my good one, so. Because these are known for catching. You'll be in here and all of a sudden it'll catch and jerk in because it's just tight. I mean, what I've discovered for that way is you can come in and pry it up just a slight amount where you can fit your blade in there and then cut it, but it's still never perfect. Anyway, I'll give you a little video on me cutting these up and just tell me which one you think is best. Now, I don't know if you could tell by that video because it's kind of fast, but it's way easier using the grinder. The only problem leaves those marks, but you can always flip it over, use the back side. Of course, then you've got your lines where your deals were, but it just depends on the look you're going for. I mean, if you're making something out of it, you could sand that down and be gone. These, my wife actually likes them. I did it to a bunch of old lumber we had that had nails sticking out instead of pulling them all. They're hard to pull on pallets because they're ring shanks. It's like a nail that's got these got a little twist in it. I don't know if you could see. Got a twist in the nail. Well, that twist holds that nail from back and back out, kind of like a screw. So ring shanks are really hard to pull. That's why it's easier just to cut it or... Anyway, tell me what you think. Which way is easier? This way you only get one usable outcome, but it's 10 times easier on the body. And this way, I don't know. I actually did bust it right there, so you have a potential for ruining lumber, and then it's wasted time. Let me know in the comments.